Dear members, students, staff, and stakeholders, as we bring 2025 to a close, I am honored to reflect on a year defined by resilience, innovation, growth, and transformative progress. It has truly been a remarkable period for the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Rwanda, ICPAR, and I extend my deepest appreciation to each of you for your contribution to our shared success. Despite economic progress, reduced external funding, and challenging operating environment, we have advanced our mission with determination and clarity of purpose. It is with deep gratitude and pride that I address you today. Acknowledging our partners, allow me to first express our sincere gratitude to Government of Rwanda, particularly the Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning, MINECOFIN, for your continued commitment and strengthening the accountancy profession. Your support has enabled us to advance our mandate and align our work with Rwanda's broader socio-economic transformation agenda. I also extend our appreciation to Rwanda Revenue Authority for your continued collaboration in strengthening tax education, compliance, and professional development across the country. Your engagement remains vital to build a competent and trusted accountancy ecosystem to our stakeholders and the wider business community. Thank you for walking this journey with us. Your partnership continues to amplify our impact as we work to deliver a world-class accountancy profession, celebrating milestones achieved in 2025. This year marked a decisive phase in the implementation of our 5-year strategic plan, with significant progress across institutional capacity, digital transformation, professional education, and stakeholder engagement. Building institutional capacity. Progress of the review and update the ICPAR law and bylaws to strengthen ownership. The internal review of the draft ICPAR law and bylaws is currently underway, led by the Secretariat team. This progress aims to ensure that all key provisions are comprehensive, accurate, and aligned with the Institute's strategic objectives and governance framework prior to submission for consideration by the Governing Council. Strengthening the Secretariat. Throughout the year, we strengthened the Secretariat. Our staff structure reached 90% completion, and for the first time, all positions are fully funded internally following the phase-out of the donor salary subsidies. This marks a major shift towards financial independence and demonstrates the Institute's growing operational sustainability. In addition, staff members have undergone targeted capacity development studies, enhancing their skills and expertise. This investment in human capital strengthens our internal capabilities and ensures that the Institute is better equipped to deliver high-quality services, drive innovation, and meet the evolving needs of the profession, building tools and technology. IMIS, CBE, and IRMS enhancements. It is in its ongoing journey towards innovation, ICPAR has made significant progress in developing computer-based examination and learning management slated for implementation by mid-2026. These platforms will revolutionize the way we deliver education and assessments, ensuring efficiency, accessibility, and global competitiveness. These technology advancements will make ICPAR the first PO in Africa to digitalize the learning and assessment aspects of its professional qualifications. The Institute has also continued to improve its integrated management information system with various additions such as the development of the system mobile app, enhancing member experience by allowing student and member applications as well as renewal of membership and farm licenses. Building future-ready profession. Enhancing the ICPAR qualifications. Since its inception, the Institute has trained a cumulative total of 7,515 CPAs and CAT students. In 2025, we held our examination sittings for both CPA and CAT in February, May, August, and November, through which 1,639 students, including 49% male, 51% female, enrolled across the professional programs. This year also marked a significant milestone as we recorded the highest number of graduates to date, 154 new CPAs and 27 new CATs. Professionals are now stepping into the roles with strengthened public institutions and the broader financial and accounting sectors. ICPAR certificate in PFM. The certificate in public financial management was launched in 2025 on the module platform and fully integrated with the IMS system to streamline the registration and payment. Since then, the program has continued to grow with 87 students currently enrolled. In June 2025, 13 students successfully completed the full PFM certificate, 69% male and 31% female. To support wider uptake, the Institute has strengthened partnerships with key institutions including the Rwanda Association of Local Government Authorities, the Rwanda Development Board, the Rwanda Mining Board, the Rwanda Management Institute, and World Bank. These collaborations are helping deepen awareness and building the skills needed to advance public financial management across the country. A revamped CPA launch. This year, ICPAR launched the revamped CPA program in phased approach, introducing updated curricula and learning materials aligned with global standards and industry-based practices. A key feature of the program is the specialized pathways, allowing students to focus either on public sector or private sector tailoring their learning to their curriculum, to their career aspirations. This initiative enhances students' technical knowledge, professional competences, and readiness to meet the evolving demands of the accounting profession, reflecting ICPAR's commitment to high-quality education and the development of future leaders in Rwanda and beyond. Global accreditation of the CPA's qualification. This year, we continued to celebrate remarkable achievements as the global recognition of our CPA qualification reached new heights. Today, ICPAR graduates are eligible for 9 exemptions, with ACCA are required to sit only 1 paper with CIMA and can obtain full membership with ICPAR upon completing the Public Financial Management Certificate and the CPA Public Finance Pathways. This milestone is not only a triumph for our profession, it is a triumph for our nation. It reaffirms the excellency, integrity, and global competitiveness of CPA Rwanda professionals, shaped through the rigorous standards upheld by the ICPAR. As a nation, let us continue producing the talent we rely on, rather than relying on the talent we have not produced. The journey towards professional excellence continues, and we are advancing with excellency, with resilience, innovation, and purpose. Accreditation of TOT. This year, ICPAR embarked on the implementation of a new accreditation framework to strengthen the quality and consistency of professional tuition. Currently, 17 tuition providers are categorized as bronze, silver, or gold, while training staff are categorized as assistant trainers, certified trainers, or senior certified trainers. In October of this year, ICPAR conducted 3-day training of the trainers to equip educators with skills and methodologies needed to deliver CPA and CAT programs effectively. Going forward, participation in this TOT will be mandatory and ensuring a strong, sustainable pipeline of competent trainers to support Rwanda's accountants profession. Strengthening capacity to comply with SMOs. The statement of membership obligations form the foundation of IFAC's member compliance program and guiding professional accountancy organizations in fulfilling their public interest mandate. They do this by promoting the adoption and effective implementation of international standards and other pronouncements from relevant standard setting bodies to strengthen compliance. The Institute achieved the following milestones this year: audit quality and disciplinary process. To assess the current state of compliance with IASB, i.e. the International Standards on Quality Management, and the IESBA Code, the Institute conducted audit quality assurance reviews on firm and practitioners performing audit, reviews, and other assurance and related engagements. This review process is aimed at fostering an environment of cooperation between ICPAR and firms and create a spirit with which the common goals of high-quality audit and public interest protection will be achieved. Strengthening CPD delivery. The Institute has continued to deliver its CPD calendar, ensuring that continuous professional development programs build both competence and ethical leadership. This year, we successfully delivered over 25 CPD trainings, training over 2,000 participants. These sessions cover critical topics including financial reporting, tax compliance, sustainability standards, auditing standards, anti-financial crimes, public sector accountability, project management, corporate governance, and more. Through these efforts, ICPAR ensured that members and the general public remain competent, knowledgeable, and prepared to meet the dynamic demands of today's professional environment. Hosting ICPAR 2025. One of the most notable achievements of 2025 was hosting the 8th African Congress of Accountants, ICPAR 2025. This landmark continental event brought together professionals, policymakers, regulators, and academics from across Africa to share insights, exchange ideas, and explore the future of the accountancy profession. The Congress showcased Rwanda's leadership on the continental stage and reinforced ICPAR's role as a key deliverer of professional excellence, sustainability, and innovation in the accounting profession. ICPAR 2025 was hosted at Kigali Convention Center from the 6th till 9th May, attracting more than 2,000 participants from 55 countries from Africa, North and South America, Europe, and Asia, with support from 25 sponsors. ICPAR 2025 was honored by the presence of Chief Guest Honorable Yusuf Murangwa, the Minister for Minicofin, and featured rich discussions on governance, technology, sustainability, and the evolving landscape of accountancy in Africa. On the sidelines of the 8th African Congress of Accountants, ICPAR 2025, a delegation from ICPAR, the Pan-African Federation of Accountants, PAFA, and the International Federation of Accountants, IFAC, paid a courtesy call visit to Honorable Dr. Eduardo Ngirente, the then Prime Minister of Rwanda. The visit provided an opportunity to reflect on the profession's contribution to Rwanda's economic development. Discussions focused on strengthening Rwanda's accountancy profession by expanding the pipeline of accounting technicians to support SMEs, SACCOs, and local governments, promoting the development of certified accountants in public institutions, and ensuring CPA and CAT qualifications are recognized in the scheme of service. Deepening private sector collaboration saw businesses benefit from professional accountants' expertise. The visit reaffirmed Rwanda's leadership in professionalizing the accountancy profession and ICPAR's central role as the country's sole regulator of the profession, thus advancing transparency, accountability, and trust. During ACOA 2025, the Institute also took the opportunity to inaugurate its home, the ICPAR building, which was unveiled by the IFAC president. This landmark represents far more than just a physical space. It embodies the growth, ambition, and stability that define the Institute today. The modernization facilities provide professional, welcoming environment to members, students, and stakeholders, embrace technological advancement, and support the evolving needs of the profession. ISB Roadmap launch. Adopting ISSB standards is vital for economies. It is, as it creates a global language for sustainability, attracting investments, boosting transparency, improving resilience, and aligning with global goals. It is based on this that Rwanda, a leader in sustainable finance, adopted the standards to ensure full implementation of these standards. ICPAR, with the support of GIZ, launched the roadmap for adoption of the IFRS Sustainability Disclosure Standards, making a significant step in advancing high-quality, global-aligned sustainability reporting. The roadmap was developed in collaboration with other regulators, namely MENICOFIN, BNR, RFL, RSE, CMA, Green Fund, and RDB. The roadmap also phased implementation, starting with larger entities and financial institutions. The initiative also includes dedicated knowledge resources to support organizations and regulators in applying the standards, reflecting Rwanda's commitment to fostering a corporate landscape that promotes environmental, social, and governance accountability. Growing the membership base. Our membership has grown considerably, reaching more than 1,300 with 12.4% of members joining in 2025 alone. This increase underscores the trust and confidence placed in ICPAR as a premier professional body. It also reflects our dedication to nurturing a dynamic community of professionals committed to excellency and the highest ethical standards. Enhancing stakeholder value. ICPAR remains committed to advancing technical, ethical, and leadership capacity, fostering collaboration, and creating impactful opportunities for professional growth across sectors. Strengthening local partnerships. Over the course of the year, the Institute signed key memoranda of understanding, MOUs, with Rwanda Basic Education Board, REB, and Rwanda Association of Local Governments Authorities, RARIGA, to strengthen capacity in the finance and accounting sector. Under the REB MOU, ICPAR is supporting the integration of CAT program materials into high school specialty courses in finance and accounting, enabling students to sit for CAT exams at the end of secondary school. As part of this partnership, we also launched the Holiday Mirror Mindset Program, a financial literacy initiative that equips high school students with practical money management skills and the mindset needed to make informed financial decisions during their school holidays. The MOU with Radiga, on the other hand, focuses on building capacity in local governments finance through the CPFM program, equipping public sector staff with the knowledge and skills needed to enhance financial management and governance in their institutions. Beyond these engagements, the Institute further reinforced its stakeholder value proposition by formalizing additional strategic MOUs with the Rwanda Civil Aviation Authority, the Rwanda Agricultural Board, and Ministry of Defense. These partnerships were deliberately structured to advance mutual objectives in professional development, capacity building, knowledge exchange, and institutional collaboration. Collectively, the MOUs reflect a purposeful shift towards deeper engagement with stakeholders, leveraging complementary strengths to enhance service delivery, expand professional opportunities for members and students, and reinforce the Institute's relevancy to the public. A regional expansion. CPA launched in Somaliland. In 2025, ICPAR extended its regional footprint through the launch of the CPA program in Somaliland. This strategic partnership supports the development of a strong and credible accountancy profession in the region while providing access to qualifications aligned with international standards. To date, 141 students have enrolled in the program and are expected to sit for their CPA examinations in February 2026. Looking ahead to the 2026. As we conclude 2025, we stand on the threshold of an exciting new chapter. In the coming year, we will continue to roll out the CBE and LMS platforms, strengthening market diversification and financial sustainability, and expand partnerships across sectors. We look forward to hosting the inaugural ICPAR graduation ceremony in the first quarter of 2026, finalizing the review of the ICPAR law and bylaws and scaling up the Public Financial Management (PFM) certificate alongside other new qualification pathways. In addition, the first CAT examinations for high school students implemented under the Memorandum of Understanding with the Rwanda Education Board are planned to commence in June 2026. Above all, we will continue strengthening Rwanda's position as a regional hub for professional excellence. To our students, members, staff, and partners, you are the backbone of ICPAR. Your resilience, passion, and dedication make our progress possible. As we close this year, I wish you and your families peace, joy, and prosperous 2026. Let us continue working together to elevate the profession and contribute to Rwanda's bright future. May God bless you and may God bless Rwanda.